What's up guys, it's Neptune. Today we're going to be showing you what things to do to survive in case a hurricane comes in. So let's start with the gasoline tank. Maybe the gas bottle. So in that case, you might need to you might have to fill this up with gas for your generator. So in that case, if your power goes out, you will have to run your generator, and it will turn off if you run out of gas. So you'll get a lot of these funky. It says here, you do get a bunch of port. And now let's go into the first aid kit. I'm gonna go into. Here's the first aid kit. You might need this just in case of an injury. So I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna put the camera down. So here's how it looks like inside. Usually, there's nail polish in there, but usually you'll get a first aid kit. You can get bandage, and you can get other things in there as well. You may want to also. So I'm gonna put away the first aid kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that away. I'm gonna put the camera down while I close it. So now we're gonna go into the bottled water. Here it is. Usually wholesale clubs and grocery stores run out of it quickly. So in that case, a lot of people have to buy bottled water before a hurricane comes. So be sure to send us mail at our address, which is in the description. And also, be sure to check our Scoop Pack Cafe Press, Patreon, Facebook, Instagram, and the website, which all are in the description. And also like, comment, and subscribe.